Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's start with today we'll do the anchor tag and the image tag in detail. First of all, let's create a simple template and name the title as image and anchor tag. Now just quickly create a heading of the same name. Instead of writing, let's copy it. Okay, so let me tell you what else we can do with our image tag. Okay, if I add a source, let's say the same as image1.jpg, okay, it will work fine. If I run this, okay, this one we do previously, but let's say if we provide the source of an image which is not present, then what will happen? It will show like this, and this will look little odd, and we want the user to we we don't want the user to say or things like this, so we can add a alt function in which we can write whatever we want to show if the image is not available. Let's say image will be there in some time. Now you can see the source of the image is not present, but instead of this error it will show us the message image will be there in some time. Okay, in the same way we can also add the width, we can set the width and height of the image. Let's say 150, same for the height 150. Okay, but for that we have to provide the link of that image which is available. So you can see is the image and its size is changed. If you want to change it more, let me show you. I set to 350. Okay, 350. You can see size is changed. All done. Okay, so these are the few things we can you can do with the image tag. Also, what we can do with our anchor tag. Say this is our anchor tag. Okay, and we provide our link like this. uh, any link. Let's copy some link. Let's copy this. This is the okay. So W3 schools is the reference site. You can follow that site for your references. They also teach HTML in a great way. You can follow that website too. Actually, I forgot to add a link. We have to write something. Let's say okay. Okay, we need a break there. I've told you earlier. Okay, one more thing. If you don't want to show this link as it looks, then you can do like this. Add this link in h1 tag, then it will look different and much better too. You can see. I run this. Oh, actually, I think I forgot to save. Yeah. Okay, save now. If I run this, you can see the link is much better now. And if I click this link, it will open that page for me. But what if we want to open the link from our image? Like we want our image to act like the link. Then we can do it by, let's say, we have to add this whole image in our anchor tag like this. Okay, and here let's run this. You can see, you click on this link. Okay, one more thing, for here we don't want this text to be printed. Okay, now you can see that you can open that link from your image like this. The tag will be open from your image. Okay, so these are the few concepts, few kind of the detailed concepts of image and anchor tag which I want to tell you.